friends, hope you guys are doing well. So today we went to Dawat restaurant. If you have seen my just previous video, it is aircraft museum, which is located near Newtown police station. I gave the location in that description box only. If you have not seen the previous video, go check out that video. It's given in the I button above, like in your screen it will come now, or you can also visit the description box and see that video. And so basically after roaming around, the aircraft museum, so we needed sustenance. So basically what I mean to say is that we were really hungry. So basically the tour to the aircraft museum was what to say, like really unplanned. We just didn't even decide, like 2 hours before going there. It was 3:45 or somehow, like we got lucky because it is summer season. If it was winter, we would have gone there at night time, I don't know, but basically it was like that time. And suddenly we had to go to the grocery store once, and my mom decided, we all decided, not my mom only, so why don't we visit that place before we go to search for that place. That also took its own time, and finally we reached that place before the sunset. So we really got the shots really fast, and we got all the shots we could take. So the shot the whole video is again given in the I button on the screen. You can go visit that video. So after that, after roaming around, so we were really hungry, since I already said it was unplanned. So there was just a restaurant around the corner, and so we decided, why don't we eat at it today only, there only. So it was the Dawat restaurant. So in this video, not in this video, after that only we went there. I just gave it in 2 different videos. So after you go there, you can also go in that restaurant if you are hungry, or it will be a full package trip kind of. So just enjoy the video and I'll give you the rest details. So as you can see, I am showing you the menu card. So there are a lot of things in the menu card that you can order, and so you can order by your wish. So we ordered butter naan and butter chicken. So we ordered that. You can order anything else you wish to order. And the view outside of the restaurant, which we can see from the window, is also really nice. As you are seeing, you can see the cars passing by and those flags which I showed you a little bit earlier. So those are really beautiful as well. So the restaurant also provides like home delivery within 1.5 kilometer, as you can see. So that is also a really good way. Home delivery, I think nowadays is much more precise than going there and eating. And also, like, we ordered dry chili fish and tandoori chicken and butter naan. And so the as you can see, my mom is stirring it up, and the tandoori chicken was really really soft, and everything was really good. So you can easily go there for a family trip and first, roam around the skirts of aircraft museum, and then you can easily go to this place. And this will be a full trip. Like, you will be it will be a kind of full package trip. So it's a really nice place. So that's all I can say. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like the video, and again, you can go visit that place anytime you want. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Please subscribe, like, and thank you for watching.